In Chapter 160 of Chainsaw Man, it was revealed that Katana Man is a huge fan of Asa Mitaka. This could be seen as a major hint at Katana Man's potential future, as Asa now technically has ownership over her fan, Katana Man, and can use him as a head sword if she so desires. This is because Yoru's power allows her full control over things that she deems she owns. So, with Katana Man nearly admitting he is a fan of Asa Mitaka, this now technically means Katana Man could be used as a weapon, spelling a grim demise for this character. However, the fact that Katana is the only man who knows Denji's true identity may allow him to be spared from Yoru and Asa's wrath as a bargaining chip.